That was a pleasure to be here to discuss with you with the biggest challenge of our time, succeeding in retrofitting building, which is 40% of EU problem. And we see that there's no other way that changing the approach we have to succeed for that. So discussion we had today was about how to organize this industrialization of deep energy retrofit. There's no one single approach to fit everyone, but we have more and more to build a proper catalog of solution and approach that would allow us to deliver at the right scale, which would be a very impacting measures and solutions in matter of social, ecological, and economic issues, because we have the skills, we have the potential to deliver that. Proof have been made at EU level at different places that it's feasible. Now challenge to come from the 10,000s building delivered to the millions, because it's a million house problem we have to solve, and all the ingredients are ready. We have to dare to start cooking together in order for that to become a good recipe that people will like, because we want tomorrow a bigger demand for such solution.